The Indian Air Force will soon be equipped with state-of-art Rafales fighter jets, which will be stationed at Hasimar Air Base, while China already has 5th generation Chengdu J-20 jets. So, in this video we are going to analyze how the Rafale fighter jets compete against Chinese J-20. Rafales. Rafales are based on single and double-seater multilayer fighter aircraft and can reach up to 2,222 km per hour. Rafale has a height of 5.30 meters, length 15.30 meters, and wingspan 10.90 meters. In Rafales, the Meteor missile can hit up to 150 kilometers. The Scalp missile can hit up to 300 kilometers on the ground. Now HEMA missile will be installed soon. J-20. Like the Rafales, this Chinese aircraft is also a two-engine all-weather 5th generation stealth fighter aircraft. Its height is 4.45 meters, length 20.4 meters, and wingspan is 12.88 meters. PL-15 missiles can hit up to 300 kilometers. And PL-21 missiles beyond visual range air-to-air can hit up to 400 kilometers. Thus, it is clear from the comparative study that Rafale is better in some features. And China's Chengdu J-20 also has some features better than Rafale's. Will the Rafales be able to match the Chengdu J-20 in war? Rafales has been tested in various wars, whereas world do not know much about J-20. We don't know how stealthy J-20 is. But, being stealthy is all about a flight computer creating a course to avoid any useful detection of enemy radars. And of course, the shape of the aircraft and coating of the aircraft is designed to deflect radar waves. Even B-2 Spirit is stealthy from front side, and not from back, so it chart a course to avoid exposing backside. It's a combination of electronics inside place, satellites, and knowledge of enemy radar system, etc. In 2018, the IAF Sukhoi Su-30 MKIs on a sortie in the northeast managed to track Chengdu J-20 fighters being operated by the People's Liberation Army Air Force over Tibet. Air Chief Marshal Birender Singh Dhanoa said the Su-30 radar is good enough and can pick it, J-20 up from many kilometers away. He made the comment a couple of months back when asked if the J-20, which was invisible to the radar, could be a threat. Rafale's jet downed the invincible US F-22 Raptor in an aerial dogfight. The F-22 Raptor is a stealthy 5th generation fighter aircraft of the US Air Force, and easily considered the best fighter jet in the world, using low observable technologies, state-of-the-art avionics, and efficient engines. The F-22 Raptor is often hailed as invisible and invincible. However, the F-22 Raptors were in for a rude shock by Rafale's jets. In a training exercise in the UAE in 2009, the Americans were aware that their latest addition to their air infantry, the F-22, was beatable, although they did not mention it. Past evidence has confirmed that a French jet once downed an American F-22 Raptor stealth fighter in a mock combat. Here questions arise. Why does China buy Russia's Su-35? Even they has their own 5th generation fighter like J-20. The engines in the J-20 are the Saturn Al-31, which the Russian used in Su-27 decades ago. Even after making significant progress in the aviation industry, China still could not produce modern engines that could complement the J-20. There is only one way to get a new powerful engine in short time, is to buy jets having it, and then reverse engineer the engines. The one of the many things Chinese are good at is reverse engineering. The Chinese bought the Su-35 only for their Saturn Al-31 117S engines. They already have planes comparable to Su-35, like J-11 copy of Su-27, and J-31. Thus it is clear that the 24 Su-35 were mainly bought for their powerful engines. What are the drawbacks in Rafale's jets? No system, however good, can be perfect. They all involve trade-offs in some form or the other. So it is to be expected that the Dassault Rafales would also be having some trade-offs in its performance. Let us try to see how many we can list. Point: thrust to weight ratio. Many fighters such as Eurofighter Typhoon, F-15, F-22, Su-27 variants, Su-30 variants, Su-35 and MiG-35 have better numbers. However, this parameter is usually needed for aircrafts geared towards air superiority roles. Cost. Rafale's unit cost is probably the highest in the world apart from the F-35. Its maintenance costs, while lower than Eurofighter, are bested by the Saab JAS 39 Gripen. Rafale is a semi-stealth aircraft. This means that its radar cross-section is an order of magnitude smaller than other fourth-generation fighters such as F-16. However, fifth-generation aircrafts, such as F-22 or F-35, have an RCS that is an order of magnitude smaller than 4.5 generation aircraft such as Rafale or Eurofighter Typhoon. While Rafale is very good in many aspects, it is not so good in a few others. It is natural and expected for any engineering product. What is important is that the IAF is well aware and ultimately decided its strong points suits it the best, while its weak points aren't that important in the conditions, role and context they want to operate it in. Game Changer, Scalp and Meteor missiles. The Indian Air Force is set to get the backward Game Changer, Scalp and Meteor missiles for its Rafale fighter jets, which will outrange all known weapon systems in the region and will give India a definitive combat edge. The Scalp standoff missile has a range of over 300 kilometers and is designed to hit high-value, strongly protected targets deep inside enemy territory. The French combat aircraft is not only one of the most advanced 4++ generation fighter, but also packs a lethal punch with an array of missiles and bombs, including MBDAS Deadly Meteor. And Scalp is part of the Rafale weapons package. While Meteor is the world's best beyond visual range air-to-air missile, the Fire and Forget Scalp is a long-range, air-launched standoff attack missile, which can penetrate deep into hard rock and fortified targets. While Meteor is the leader in the beyond visual range, air-to-air missile category, with a range of 150 kilometers and a no-escape zone of more than 60 kilometers, which is the largest among all similar missiles currently in service with the Air Force around the world, capable of being fired in all weather conditions. Meteor missile has an advanced active radar seeker which can lock onto highly maneuverable fighters, as well as small unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles, designed to beat even the most severe countermeasures employed by the enemy. Meteor has a data link communication and can also be operated using third-party data. Therefore, we can say that Rafale has greater advantage over J-20 in terms of combat experience and advanced technology. Having said that, Rafale doesn't claim to be a complete stealth fighter as J-20. And J-20 is said to be a new generation fighter. At the end, as far as our findings are concerned, Rafale has greater edge due its combat experience, which J-20 has nothing to show up to the world.